Hello once again, this is Allan from the beautiful country, Philippines. And before I start on this video tutorial, how to drive traffic or how to purchase traffic from Udimi, if you didn't subscribe yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification below. So in this video, I will teach you how to create your account in Udimi if you didn't have account yet, right? So all you need to do is just click the button below or the link below, so you will be directed on this page. So you are now here in Udimi. All you need to do is just sign up, put your name. For example, Allan Mantaring. Put your email, your password, and then sign up, right? Any password you want. If you have email, any email you have. So, or you can sign in with Google, right? So, since I have an account already, all I need to do is just log in. So, log in. And this is the back office of Udimi. Inside Udimi, all you need to do is find sellers. Then you will set up this one, niche, all niche, got sales 50%, and repeat order ratings. All you need to do is like 50 plus ratings, sales up, up. So as you can see here, you can review all the sellers, right? This one, his price per click is $40, and all the people who got sales is 51%, and 2,032 people make reviews for him. And the other one is 40% also, 40 cents, 52% sales. And this guy is have 56% sales, 1 negative reviews. This guy is 40%, 40 cents per click, but 61% sales, but he has a lot of negative. This red is negative reviews, right? And we will look which is better in here with the highest sales percentage. This guy, he has 88% of sales, like this one, but he is much expensive, 79 cents per clicks, right? So, and the good thing is, for a total of 2,316 order to him is only 6 negative reviews. So all we need to do is just click his name, right? Then he is from UAE, members 8 years already. As you can see, the review is very good, from Paul Red Lauren. This is a very good internet marketer. He has good reviews in here. You can check also. Someone ordered on November 2. Today is November 3. Got sales. New sales. He ordered 200. Visitors, he received 223. Got sales, got sales, got sales. So I can recommend this guy. He has a lot of got sales, got sales. All the people who order from him. No sales, got sales, September 22, right? So all of this, his review. Yes, 19% buyer got sales and no refund. Bad rating, only 6, right? So total order is 4,535. So we will order to him. All we need to do is, I ordered to him before, this one. All we need to do is order only top tier, right? So only top tier meaning this is from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So this is all the people who are English speaking country, right? So if you order 300 clicks, you're gonna pay 270. If you order 100 clicks, if you order just 200 clicks, you pay 181. But my recommendation is you order at least 300 clicks, right? All you need to do is put your ad text. You have ad text here. All you need to do is go back to your profit passport system, right? You need to get this affiliate link, this one. You copy this, copy. Oh, later on, that one. All you need to do is come down here. This one, this is the email ads automated. You can choose any one of the subject line in here. For example, you want this one, subject line number 3. All you need to do is just copy this one, copy, go back in here, put in here, paste, click paste, then come back again in here, email body, this one, this email body, copy all of that, copy, go back, remove that one, paste all of that. So you need to remove this, put your name, Allan Mantaring, put your name, then this is your body already. So do not forget to change this link, this one. All you need to do is come back here on the top and get your affiliate link. Copy, go back here, then replace this one. Replace, paste, right? And put Udimi, something like that. All you need to do is just highlight, click this link, put the URL here, Okay. Then after you finish this one, so now it's okay. Right? So the link is very good. Just put some spacing in here. All you need to do is just click checkout. And now you can choose which payment you want to pay. You can choose PayPal if you have PayPal, and you can choose your credit card or debit card if you have. If you have card, you just click buy now. Then put your card number, details, expiration date, CVC or the 3 numbers at the back of your card. Put your country, then you click pay in here. After you click pay, you will receive a message from the traffic vendor. So it says that you paid already. Okay, I buy before, so I will show you what's the message I received before. After you purchase some clicks, so you will receive a message like this. Congratulations on your first solo purchase. And a vendor accepted your order, you will receive a message from him. So this one from Gabe. So as you can see, he has messaged to me, right? So on the next video, I will teach you how to drive traffic using Facebook pre-traffic, or we call it attraction marketing or organic marketing.